Guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I will be talking about one of my projects that I am recently working on. So it is basically an image editing software, and if I run the program, so now you would see a program called shrimp, which stands for Smart High Resolution Image Manipulation Program. So it's basically an image editor like GIMP or Photoshop, but it is not as powerful as Photoshop or GIMP. So I was learning computer vision using openCV, and I wanted to transfer the knowledge to building a desktop application. So I decided to build an image editor. So now, as you can see, this is my debug window. If I can shrink the program and increase it, you can see it's actually responsive, and you can see that the width and the height is changing in my debug uh, window. So anyways, let me set it to full screen. Now let's say we want to work on an image. We can just click on the file and we can open an image. Now if I go over to my folder, I have three images to work with. So now let's say we want to open this Naruto image. So I would go over to my shrimp file and I'll click on file, open, and then I will browse the directory. You can see an open menu is here. I can just click on images and I can click on, so you can see the image actually popped up, but this image is too small. So let's open a much more bigger image. So I can just open uh, this Naruto image. So now you can see I can apply image editing to it, like uh, I can apply blur. So you can actually see it's actually blurring out, and I can rotate the image. So you can see rotation is working properly, and I can increase the brightness. I can decrease it as well. I can apply contrast and decrease it. Sorry. And also, so I can apply filters. If I go over to the filter tab, I can apply sepia, I can apply grayscale, and I can apply negative or edge detection. And all these are built-in functions in openCV. And I can crop the image, but first let me reload the image without this filter. So I'll just click on new. As you can see, it returns back to our canvas, which is our transparent canvas. And I would open an image, and let's say I open the Naruto image again. Now you can see I can click on crop. So my crop widget pops up a crop window. Now I can draw a rectangle above where I actually want to crop. So now let's say I want to crop this out. I can just click on the crop. But now the crop is not functional at the moment, so I'm still working on it. And if you notice, and if you are used to working with openCV, you would know that openCV uses a BGRO format, while most software uses an RGB format for image processing. So now this is the same images. This color is bluish, if that grammar actually exists. But like this color is more of like blue, while this is the original color. So this basically is the BGR representation. So I will need to fix this. So this is actually a bug. But anyways, just showing you a demo of the project. So now, uh, I can actually save an image. So let's say I apply edge detection and I click apply filter and I go over to my file and I click on save. So I can actually save it. So let's say I want to call it demo. Uh, I can call it demo and save it. So now if I go over to my folder, you can actually see the demo image. So you can see, let me open this. This is the original photo, and uh, this is the edited photo. So this is basically the software, and let me show you the other menu. So we have the edit menu, which does undo and redo, which is not functional at the moment. And we have our help menu, which brings about. And as you can see, and you can find the project on GitHub. I will leave a link in the description below where you can check out the project. It is basically around, I would say, 200 to 300 lines of Python code. You can actually see these are the modules I am using: Pillow, NumPy, Computer Vision, openCV, sorry, tkinter for the GUI. And you can see I have all the functions for the backends, like uh, this gets the window size for responsiveness, and this creates the checkerboard, which is uh, the the transparent background you see. And this is our file class, which is responsible for opening a new file, saving a file, and quitting the program. And this updates our canvas when we load in an image.